Did you know a sneeze travels faster than a car on the highway? When you sneeze, you release air at a shocking speed of up to 100 miles per hour faster than most cars on the freeway. Sneezes are the body's way of clearing out irritants from the nose, and the process is lightning fast. Fun fact, a sneeze can also eject up to 100,000 tiny droplets into the air, which is why covering your mouth is so important. Each droplet can travel as far as 20 feet, making sneezes both powerful and far-reaching. So next time you feel one coming on, remember just how much energy your body is putting into that tiny, explosive act.